This video is to show how to empty the vacuum in the barn. So when this tank is full, this little light should begin blinking. But it isn't always reliable. So if you suspect that it may be full, then there are other ways to check it. First way is you can just quickly take a flashlight, and in this little hole right here, you can kind of shine in there, and maybe you can see, but you can see that just a few inches away from the top is full of debris and sawdust and whatnot. So that's a quick way to check. Uh, if if you can't tell even with that check, then you can open it, which is pretty simple. You just this right here needs to be unlatched. And then we can remove this metal band from around it, and then I have to like that. And then you just lift it up and look inside, and that is definitely full. So we just need to just kind of move this bit off, and then we can roll this out, and we'll dump it into the dumpster, but we'll keep the bag. So it's just we're just gonna be dumping out the debris. So now that we've emptied the bin here, just need to wheel it back. And then we replace the lid. And we need to replace this hose on the lid. Here, I can show you a little bit. So this hose needs to go back on there, and there's also this band. All right, so we just need to put the band around the hose and attach it to the hole. So we secure it around the hole, and then we take this band and tighten it. And then we need to put this band back around the top. Okay, so now this is tight around this again. This band is on here, and then we just pull this tight to secure it, which again requires two hands. Oof. There we go. That's back. And you can see the light is no longer blinking, so we know it's empty. There you go. That's how you change out the vacuum.